Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of this channel. In this video, I would like to show you how easily we can use the sum function. Let's move to the Excel sheet. In this sheet, there are some data in a table showing monthly sales amount of an enterprise. We would like to get monthly total sales amount from this data equal to SUM open parenthesis and select the range close parenthesis and enter. Copy next data also. Similarly, we can get the other total also. But we can make it more quickly by selecting all the data and press Alt plus equal to, then enter. Wow! See how it is done so quickly. Thank you for watching.